Okay, everybody, here we go. Let's give it a try. Okay, this one I'm going to have to kind of hold. I don't know how much of this you're going to see. But what I'm doing here is I'm making sure that the bolt is neutral. Yep. So there's no torque on that nut, on that bolt. Right where she needs to be now. Now I can just finish, let me see, get that all the way up. Now I can finish burning this in, now that I got everything out of the way, because this is exactly where she needs to be. And then I can take my other little pieces. Oh, now that it's all nice and clear, and go from here to here. When I do that, I'll pop these bushings out. I'll pull these out and then pop them back in. But that's where she's got to be. Yeah, and she came out good and level. Also, right back there, you see that last body? That's a frame for the body that's right there that rolls up. My U-joint for the back fits right in there. I mean, everything here is just beyond tight. And I'm thinking about shaving this back just a little bit too. Just take about that much of it off. I don't want to take a whole lot off because that's my upper control arm support. Every time that hot tire goes up, it throws a lot of force against this way. So I don't want to take a whole lot off there, but I think I will round it down a little bit, just to give me a little bit more room on the manifold on this side. And right now, I've got just, I'd say about, I was trying for a 1/4 inch, but it's under a 1/4 inch clearance on that steering box. My oil pan, boy, it's close, but I can almost get a finger all the way across right here. It's tight right here and it's tight right here. Like I said, by tight I mean I can almost get that finger in it. I'll leave that one alone. My drag link, my center link, and tire rods, they're close, but the oil pan is about, I'd say a good 2 fingers there, which is good. I don't want nothing hitting there. If you look on the 335, the 312, or the 279, the Y blocks and the first gen FEs that came in these, they got a super thin pan that comes all the way down here, and then it drops to a 90 almost down here for the front sumps in them. I mean, the back part of that oil pan on those, like I said, the 335 and the Y blocks, the 272s and the 312s, back in the back portion here, they're only about that deep. So I imagine they picked up a lot of windage, because if you see on that one, it's a lot deeper in this front section, or the back section of the pan there. But I did get her in there, and I got a little metal hot. I don't know how much of that you could see. Like I said, it was really tight in there. But I'll set the camera up here, and then I'll burn these the rest of the way in. I'll probably put it on time lapse. Oh, my welding settings. Right now, I'm pretty good with that. Those are my settings. I might turn the heat up just a little bit. I noticed on the other side there, where I was burning through that rust, it was popping a little bit. So to combat that, I'll just turn up the heat a little bit, and then it'll burn right through the rust. I can tell I'm getting okay penetration there, but anyway, that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna set you up, probably put you on time lapse, burn them the rest of the way in, then I'll cut them, and then put the gussets in there for them, knock them in solid. Then I'm going to go back to the transmission. I think I can use that. Actually, it blows my mind, but I think I can use the cross member of that motorhome in here. It looks like it's going to work. Anyway, we'll jump on that one next, and meantime, here you're going to see some speed action welding. Here we go.